Hi there guys, and welcome back again to Unboxing Canada with a new box with Adil Oda. So as we opened the previous box that has 3 products, we'll go ahead and just go for the next product. But first I would like to thank you for being a subscriber on our channel and liking our videos, commenting, and also click on the notification bell to get notified on new items. So we'll go ahead and check another product. So as you can see here, just in a bag. Okay, so it's a iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. The name of the company is MagSafe. So that's how it looks. That's the info behind it. It's still closed. I don't know what this. Why it's stuck? Do I have to pull it on? Oh, hey. So this is how it looks. Wow. Amazing. As you can see here. And she's the other camera here. That's how it is. That's cool. Okay. This is what's inside the box. This is the cover. Okay, let's remove this here. What is this for? Oh, it's a lot of documents here. A lot of documents. Let's see. Okay. So this is removed. This is how it looks. That's how it looks. See what else is there in the box. So I don't know what's inside. Just stuff. Is there anything actually inside? Or just like a, I feel like there's something there. There's something. I don't know, there's something odd here, but anyway, I think it's only the cover. We'll just leave it aside. If you don't like it, you just return it. So, where is the iPhone? Where are my iPhone? It's funny. I'm looking for the iPhone and I'm recording with it. Your iPhone, you're there, man. So, yeah, this is how it looks. Let me just put it in the cover and I'll show you in the camera. As you can see, this is the phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the cover. We'll just put it here as it is recording. So, see the camera, how it's clear, it's gonna be clear, right? Right way or wrong way, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So this is how it looks. As you can see here, cover is neat, clear. Here it is. Amazing. So let me just put the camera back to record with the cover here. Yeah, it looks amazing, really. As you can see here, all the buttons clear. Everything is clear from here, from down there. Good from up here. So I'll just put this back again here. And yeah, really appreciate you guys watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment below for to support us, and click on the notification bell to be notified when there is a new product. In case you have a new product and you want us to unbox or do a review, comment below this video or go to our website unboxingcanada.com. Thank you.